Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, I am back with another DIY ingredient for you to try, and I have shown you how you can try so many of this wonderful, natural, and pure products. So, I've talked about butters, I've talked about oils, and all that wonderful stuff on this channel. So, if you haven't really checked those videos out, definitely look into the playlist, and you will see that I have a ton of playlists, several different playlists. I have one for just gifts, DIY whipped butter gifts, and I have one that has just two ingredients each in a bunch of recipes. So I think you would find it very useful. If you're just checking in for the first time, welcome. And my name is Pamela Jacobs. I own Us Organics, and I share lots of free recipes on here, tips, and all the wonderful information that people want to know about our butters and oils and why these natural products are just all you need for your beauty regimen at home. So today I will be talking about jojoba beads. Yes, so this is a product that you can just easily incorporate into your existing regimen. So it's not something that you need to just completely make from scratch, or just no, you just add this, and I'm just going to show what it looks like on the inside. And yeah, so this is just like beads, and it's a 2040 mesh size, so that's the thickness of the actual beads. So when people want to exfoliate their skin, I mean, exfoliation is very, very important. I had talked about this in my DIY ebook guide. If you haven't grabbed yours, definitely go on our website and grab yours. I launched it on April the 16th when we had our 10th anniversary. So yes, we've been out there for 10 whole years. Thanks to God for keeping me alive and just keeping the business alive, and we're still here and we're still gonna be here. So yeah, so these jojoba beads, they come in 4-ounce sizes. A little goes a long way. You don't need a bunch at all. It is also quite pricey, and because the process of making this can be a bit, yeah, it is quite detailed process. It is made in the United States, so if you are somebody that likes to buy local and just, yeah, I hear you. You can definitely get jojoba beads, and we get that. It's sourced right here in the U.S. So, like I said, it's a 2040 mesh size, so you don't need something very thick if you're using it for face. So that's why it's very suitable for face. You can use it all over the body, but then it is suitable for face as well. Just add a few teaspoons to your existing cleanser, and you will just be able to get an additional exfoliation benefit from your cleanser just by adding some of these jojoba beads. Some people also add it into soaps, and it makes really good soaps. And you can add it to your salt scrubs and anything that exfoliates and cleanses the skin. This will work great with that. So jojoba oil on its own, we know that jojoba oil is one of the most beneficial oils out there for the skin, and this is because it is an oil that sort of mimics the national, no, I said the national, the natural sebum that our skin produces. So that's why jojoba beads is highly cleansing, because it's made from jojoba oil. So it is a process that it goes through, and it goes through a hydrogenation process. So what hydrogenation basically means is converting a liquid oil into a solid fat. So basically the oil remains what it is. There's no addition, there's no strange there's nothing added. Just turning that the process just turns the liquid vegetable oils into solid fats. So and just reduces the size, obviously. So that's what our jojoba beads is, or are is. So yeah, so that just makes it very nourishing for the skin. So if you are somebody that uses an oil to cleanse anyway, you can also just use an oil to exfoliate as well. And you already know it is a very good cleanser. If you use jojoba beads for cleansing, it is a very good cleanser. If you use it for adding into your skincare, you know how nourishing it makes your skin, then you consider using that for as an exfoliant. So that's basically all. That's a summary of what I'm talking about today. So yeah, before I start rambling, that's it for today. If you haven't tried the Hobo Beads, so we sell it on our website and we also sell it on Amazon. And I'll put a link in the description section if you want to get one for yourself to exfoliate and nourish your skin. So I hope that was a useful tip for you. If you've never found out about Hobo Beads, you can start using it now in your homemade skincare or whatever you sell. You can also add it into your scrubs and just to improve the beneficial impacts for that for your face and things like that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.